Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy fall. Oh my god, you guys, summer was very eventful. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to this channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe right now. Today I'm going to a wedding today, and today I'm going to be doing this nice neutral glam sponsored by the fall. It goes with my outfit. This is what I'm wearing, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. Ooh! Ooh! Yeah. I'm very excited to show you guys how I get this look done. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Mwah. We're gonna start with my eyes. I'm gonna be using 3 Juvia's Place palette. Let me show you guys what colors I'm gonna use. Outer cut crease, I'm gonna be using the Zulu by Juvia's palette, and I'm gonna use this nice brown shade right here. My dress is going to be brown, and I think it's going to be so cute. Take the Warrior 2 by Juvia's. I'm going to use this shade. This shade is called Dora, and it's so pretty. This is my favorite palette to go to, especially when I'm doing like a soft natural beat. It has all the neutral colors. I love that one so much. And then for a little shimmer, I'm gonna use the Nubian by Juvia's palette. I'm gonna use this right here to add some shimmer in the inner cut crease, in the inner you know what I mean, like in the inner eye. I'm gonna add the shimmer there so it can just give it a pop. So let's just zoom in and just get started on the eye. I'm gonna first use my Milk Hydro Primer. You guys know, like, I use this for my under eye because I feel like it holds my concealer in place, but I really want this to hold my eyeshadow in place. So I'm just going to really just like put that around my eyes so everything just stay in place and doesn't move. So I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Cool Tan. This is like 3 to 4 shades lighter than me. I'm just gonna put that all over my lid just so it can release that hyperpigmentation from my lid, so it can just give it that, you know, yeah. Like the order I told you guys, I'm gonna start off with the Zulu palette, and I'm just gonna do my eyes. You guys can just watch. I'm gonna come a little closer so you guys can just focus on the eye. I'm gonna use my CoverGirl eyeliner to do my eyeliner. You guys, this eyeliner is my holy grail. It's super matte, and it's super nice. I don't think I'm gonna do a wing because I just feel like I don't need a wing right now. Everyone usually asks me where I get my lashes from, and you guys, they were my brand at one point. So I wanted to drop these lashes back in 2021. But if you guys follow me on Instagram and you guys follow me on YouTube, y'all been subscribing to this channel even though I've been really inconsistent. You guys know why. It's really because like I had a lot going on with like my academics, with school and things like that. So I just feel like it wasn't a good time, and it's still not a good time. And I want to drop something that makes sense, and I don't think I really want to drop it anymore, if I'm being honest. But these lashes are so cute. I don't know if this is giving fall, but I feel like fall is very like minky. So that's why I'm wearing these. Okay, so I switched my lashes to something a little bit more subtle. It's giving. So you guys, let's get to this face. You guys, the weather is changing. My tan is slightly going away, so I'm getting a little dry. I don't have dry skin. I definitely do have combination skin, and the best product that I use to moisturize my skin, I use this BOBBIBROWN Vitamin Enriched face base. It looks so, it's so good. I got the small version because y'all, it's a little expensive. Yeah, it just feels great. I'm gonna take my primer now. I use the Milk Hydro Prime, but I want to go for a matte look today. So instead of using the Hydro Prime, I'm gonna use the Milk Primer, but this is the matte version. Just because I just feel like today is a wedding, matte, it's fall. So I'm just gonna use that in the part that I get oily the most, because I do have oily skin. And I want to just make sure like my makeup doesn't move. I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm just going to add some on my face to like set my face, just set everything in place. This is their medium deep. This is their medium deep and it works wonders. Okay, so you guys, not gonna lie, this kind of comes in a form of a color corrector for me, because look at how smooth everything looks. Crazy. So I'm gonna take my Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray. This is for their matte. This is their all-nighter, the all-nighter one, I believe. I'm just gonna spray that. Whoo! Okay, so while I let that dry a little bit, I'm gonna just think about what foundation I'm gonna use today. I am feeling Makeup by Mario, but because I haven't tried their concealer yet, I'm just gonna wait that one out a little bit. So today I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. This is in the shade 14. This is in the shade 14N. And you guys, whenever I wear this foundation, I get the most compliments. It's so pretty, skin-like finish, everything. So I use like a little bit of a pump, because one pump goes a long way. So I don't try to do too much, but I'm just gonna put that all over my face and blend it all out. I try to avoid my under eye because I don't want it to crease. I'm going to be using the Kevyn concealer. This concealer is in the shade FX12. I only bring this concealer out for special occasions only. It gives me the best coverage ever. This is like one of those concealers that like is so thick, so you got to be careful how much you put on, because a little bit does go a long way. Even though I haven't really used this concealer that much, but I love this concealer so much. Okay, so next I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to start off with using my contour sticks. This is the black Radiance contour sticks. You guys, I love this so much because it's just perfect for my nose. It just gives me the best definition of my nose, and I'm able to shape my nose the way that I want it to be shaped. So this is what I typically go for, is like a line straight down, and then I go like on my nostrils to create a small little shadow and a little bit underneath. You guys, I'm like a whole doctor, okay? Just don't play with it. I'm going to take my contour stick. This is from ClaireFendy. This is a black owned brand and I love them so much. And just contour where I normally contour. I don't try to put too much. I just put like the right amount. And I'm just going to blend. And when I blend, I like to blend upwards so you don't see like the line. I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place blush and I'm gonna just add some blush, some liquid blush. I like to use liquid blush now, y'all, because I feel like, first of all, Juvia's Place blushes are so pigmented. First of all their product is very pigmented, so I love working with them. I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Skin Enhanced Concealer in the shade Tan. And I'm just going to do my light shade. Real fast. Because this is the second shade of concealer, I'm going to blend it out automatically, like immediately. Because if I let it sit, I don't want it to get too dry. I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury. This is their brightening powder and I'm just going to set everything, mostly my under eye so it could be a little brighter. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks super bright and I just want to make sure that it's really on my puff. We love a good puff. And I'm just going to set. I always set the corner of my nose, the side of my nose. I love a bright under eye, like so bad, real bad. I'm gonna take my NARS, contour. This is in the shade Quirimba. This is their bronzer, not contour, bronzer. And I'm just gonna bronze my face. I love doing this with this powder on because it helps me navigate where I want, like it helps me shape my face while also like setting my face, so that's like a big deal for me. I'm gonna take my One Size setting powder and I'm just going to set my under eye. So for blush, I use the Juvia's Place. This is volume 4, and then I'm going to top it off with the Christian Dior, the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow. Is giving. My list, I'm going to use Valentino Beauty. This is in the shade 123R. Like this nice pink shade. It looks so pretty. I'm gonna go fix my hair and I'm gonna go come right back to dust everything off. And to dust my foundation off with some my setting powder, I mean, so everything come together. Oh my god, you guys, it looks so good. All right, settings powder. And for a setting spray, I'm going to use the OS by Patrick Star. Whew. All right, guys. Yeah, this looks amazing. 10 out of 10. Period. Okay, I'm gonna end the video right here. Okay, I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm so happy to be back. I don't know when I'm dropping this video, but you guys just know that I put a lot of time into it because I'm extremely busy right now. And yeah, guys, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video.